Hello there everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing a Leyland Comet Dinky super toy lorry. And yeah, I went to the Somerset Railway Steam fair. You might know the Minehead to Norton Fit or Bishop's Lydia, but there is another station in Norton Fitzwarren. And the steam rally, it was like a steam rally, so you got traction engines and all sorts really. It was brilliant. We took our World War II Bedford QL. Anyway, this is one of the Dinkies that I picked up. Obviously it's not the price on the box. That's the original price that came with it. But yeah, I got it from the West Somerset Steam Fair. It was in the craft tent. There was a man who was selling all sorts of models, and I did buy a few more Dinkies off him. So yeah, I will be doing more videos on them. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell you where I got it from and everything. And I'll get into it. Okay, so as you can see, it's Dinky Super Toy. All boxes for Dinky Super Toy are pretty much the same. You got like the Made in England and what number it is. And the picture of the lorry. And then on the side you got pretty much the same thing. I don't know why it's on the same twice. And the back. But what I do love about this box is if you look, you can see where it's been sat in a window and it's faded away, which is quite good. And that's just quite funny to see, because it must have been sat in a window for a long time where it's faded and all sorts really. And then on the side, yeah. Okay, well, I'm going to unbox this now and you're going to see me unbox it. So I just... because Dinky Super Toy are easy enough to unbox. There it is. It's got a few chips on it, and it's a bit dirty, but if I was to clean it up, it would look very respectable, I think. So yeah, let's get it straight out of the box. Sorry, you could just see my hand there. And then let me put the box back together. There we go, let's get rid of that. Okay, here you can see the Leyland Comet Lorry in all of its glory. And there was actually a real version of one of these at the show, but I didn't get any footage of that, which I'm annoyed about, but that's how things go. And yeah, it's in red and yellow, which a lot of Dinkies are in red and yellow. It's got quite a few chips on the cab, as you can see, and in the body. But if you look in the body, this is literally just dirt. I mean, it doesn't look like it on camera, but my finger's now quite dirty. Yeah, that's all dirt. That can all be cleaned off, really. And then on the other side, it's quite the same, just a bit chipped. But if I turn it up here, you can see how much I paid for it. I didn't actually pay £28 for it. I paid £25 for it, as he knocked a bit off. Because, I mean, yes, the box is in good condition, a really good condition. You can see it over there. But the thing, it's got a few chips on it. It's kept its colour, though. I also bought a Bedford S-Type, which was the same colours, but originally, but it's lost a lot of its colour now. It's gone a lot duller. But as you can see here, it says, Dinky Super Toys, Leyland Comet, made in England by Meccano Ltd. And then you've got the spare wheel on the back, and the classic Dinky tow hook, which would tow pretty much anything, really. Anything you put behind it. So yeah, I think that this Leyland Comet was well worth £25 with the box. I would not have paid £25 for it just on its own, but £25 for one in this condition, you can probably find them on eBay. The thing is with eBay, you got to think about postage, and I didn't have to. It was like £25, and then it wasn't like another £4 postage or whatever eBay is. So this Dinky Super Toy, I think, was well worth £25. It's got an awful lot of detail, even if you look on the fuel tank or diesel. I don't know what it runs on. I really ought to have looked into it a bit more. But, yeah, I think, has it got one on either side? No, it doesn't. And then you can even see the leaf springs by the wheels. You probably can't, yeah, you can see them better if I zoom out a bit. Yeah. Maybe if I flip it up. Oh no, you can't quite see it as well if you flip it up. You can see the ends of the leaf springs on either side. It's just quite an interesting mould. That mould must have taken quite a bit of time. There's a lot of detail gone into this Dinky. I know it's old now, what's it, 50 years old. So yeah, I think this Dinky, considering they were Dinky toys, has done really well to survive all this time. I think it looks really nice. It's got a nice classic 50s shape to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think £25 was well worth the Dinky and the box over there. So let me put the Dinky back on the box. And I'd like to thank you all very much for watching this video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.